What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got an awesome unboxing to do with you guys. I know exactly what's in this box. This was sent to me by a Mr. Kyle Roberts, who, if you were a part of the live stream where he and I were kind of talking about this knife that he was going to send me, you'll know what this is as well. I am really excited about that, definitely. Before we get into that box, which is huge, by the way. Oh, man. We're going to get into this little package sent by another good friend who goes by, you guys probably know him. He goes by the name of Kiefer. What am I doing? I don't need to cut that rubber band off. I'm going to be careful about where the address is located on this. Okay, we're good. He goes by the name of Kiefer, and he messaged me and he said, hey man, I think you need one of these. Like everybody else has looked at this and you haven't. And so I just want you to, look at this. Here we go. Let's see, what do we have? Beautiful. I can't wait to get that and take a look at this. What are these? Oh, and a bunch of lens cleaning towelettes. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So, for those of you who don't know, this knife is known as the Dolica, and boy, she's a beaut. We technically, should we go ahead and unpackage her? Yeah, let's do. Let's go. Let's get this thing out of here. I gotta feel the quality. Oh man, boy, that is a knife. Oh man, it's so smooth. It's God, what is going on with the... Oh, that's nice. That moves. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll get to that one. We're gonna review it. We're gonna talk about it sometime. Thank you so much, Kiefer. That was really nice. I appreciate that. I will make sure that that the Dolica is kept in a very special place. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the towelettes. You know what I thought these were initially? I thought those were the things, the Parmesan cheese packets you get at a pizza joint. Okay, let's get into this guy here. Okay, let me see which end we're in, because I do not want to drive the rainbow steel into it. Because I mean, here's the thing. I mean, part of me wants to kind of salvage the box, but then again, I kind of just want to get into it. And I think that's what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to get into it. Yeah. Oh boy, that rainbow steel just gliding through the cardboard. Okay. We're going to come down. We're going to make it a little... I know I'm off camera. Here's what I'm doing. I'm cutting into this side over here. So let's pull out all the newspaper. This is very well packed. I can understand the reason for that type of packaging. And let's pull out the actual knife. Oh boy. Oh, that's a big boy. Yeah, I can understand why you needed to use that box. Okay. Oh man, that is the largest box from Rick Hinderer that I have ever seen. You guys now probably can guess why I'm so excited about this. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, I'm so excited to handle this. Finally. I honestly was not sure if I'd ever get a chance to handle it. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. So guys, this is the Rick Hinderer Ranch Bowie. Obviously, not a folding knife. This is the very first time. Let me wipe this off so you guys can get a good impression of the blade. This is the very first time that I've handled a fixed blade from Rick Hinderer. This knife is in his black stonewashed finish, and it's in CPM 3V. Awesome. I believe these are 187 thousandths on the stock thickness, making it about as thick as an XM24. Okay, so right off the bat, these are the best ergos I've ever felt on a fixed blade. And that comes as no surprise to me, because Rick Hinderer is just a master of ergonomics. Take a look at that finish, that slightly reflective black tumbled finish. That is awesome. That silver laser etched logo there. These are micarta scales. They look to be it's like an OD tan, maybe maybe a full OD, and then just the lights just making it look more coyote. Beautiful though, goes right along with the blade so well. It's the same style of screws here that you see on the pivot of the XM knives or Hinderer knives in general. Nice large lanyard loop. Lots of, the swell, the palm swell on this thing is just in the perfect place. These are so beautifully contoured, really just a joy to hold. You know, lots of room for your hand up here. Of course, lots of room on the forward choil there. The palm stop, I guess, whatever you call that's great. Reverse grip feels amazing. You can see there, obviously full tang, blade running or the blade finish going all the way through there. Love that this is 3V. I would imagine that finish would help protect 3V over time. I don't know 100%. I am really, really excited to take a look at this. In fact, I'm tempted to do a special this weekend just talking about fixed blades because I have this and I've got a Chris Reeve fixed blade and I've got a Microtech fixed blade, all that I really, really like 3 of the best fixed blades that I've ever handled. And I kind of want to do a discussion video on fixed blades and what I look for as somebody who doesn't really, use fixed blades a whole lot. You know, I don't know. Maybe you guys might not find that interesting. Let's take a look at this sheath. Holy cow. This in and of itself is a thing of beauty. Look at the Hinderer logo there. I mean, they didn't slouch on this sheath, guys. This is beautiful. I don't know a lot about leather work, but I've handled some, sheaths, like not really the best quality. This is definitely a high quality sheath. Pull this back. I'm going to do my best to keep that blade away from the metal parts of the buttons because I know you haven't used this yet, and while I'm sure you will use it, I don't want to put unnecessary scratches on it. I want you to put your own scratches on it. So this fits beautifully inside the sheath. Just incredible. Oh, God. Hinderer knocked it out of the park with that thing. I hope I love the Bowie blade. That's probably the blade shape that I would pick. I hope he goes through the line and does all his blade shapes. Definitely. So that's going to be pretty much it. 2 legendary blades, each for their own reasons, though. Heavy quotes on the legendary part. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Hey guys, so this is kind of a weird cut in the video, and I'm sure a lot of you have already left because I did my usual sign-off, but for those of you who are still here, there was actually another box that was sent to me by Kyle, and I had to kind of dig in the back of the priority box to find it, so I've got it right here, and I already know what it is, but I haven't opened it up all the way yet, so there's you can see there. What it's saying on the outside of the box. So this will be interesting. Oh, yeah. I've seen this on a lot of channels. Is this the smoke? Okay, can I do this first try? Yeah, kind of. Ooh, that's cool. Can you do it this way? Nope. But, oh yeah, so I totally get why people like this as a front flipper. That just works. So I've handled some front flippers. I was like, yeah, I don't know. That doesn't seem like the most convenient way to open something. But this, because of how long the handle is and because of the position of the front flipper, look at this. I'm a pro already. I got it. I got it down. Nice smooth action. This is a cool knife. Can you open it this way? No, I can't really get my finger in there. But for fidget factor, I don't know that you need a whole lot more on a front flipper knife than the front flipper. That's fun. I'm going to destroy my finger doing that. That is pretty cool. Now, wait a sec. There's a picture of a dog on it. Let's find out what this actually is. Oh, that's just, the dog is the actual logo. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is a smoke. We'll find out, as we usually do. Some people are confused. They're like, if you're going to do a review on the knife, why don't you know what the name of it is? This isn't the review. This is just me taking it out of the box and giving my first impressions. If you're new to my channel and you look through, you know, I have a whole playlist of unboxings where I just give a first impressions of a knife that I either do or don't know exactly what it is. And then I do an actual review, which is a tabletop review where I sit down and give you all the information that I uncovered about it and then my actual impressions as far as a utilitarian cutting tool. But anyways, this is super cool. Thank you again, Kyle, for allowing me to take a look at each of these knives. Really excited about that. I've already done my sign-off, guys, so thanks again for watching, and have a great day.